Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay on Klarna. First, ensure your Apple Pay is fully set up with a valid debit or credit card linked to your Apple Wallet. Next, download and open the Klarna app on your iPhone or iPad. When you're ready to make a purchase, look for the Apple Pay option during the checkout process within the Klarna app or at participating online stores. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth transaction. When shopping online, select Klarna as your preferred payment method at checkout. You'll then choose your desired Klarna payment plan, such as the popular Pay in 4 installments, allowing you to spread the cost over several weeks. After confirming your purchase details within the Klarna app, the system will prompt you to complete the payment. This step seamlessly integrates your chosen Klarna plan with the security of Apple Pay. Once you confirm your Klarna purchase, the familiar Apple Pay interface will automatically appear on your screen. You'll then use your device's security features, like Face ID, Touch ID, or your personal passcode, to authorize the payment. Take a moment to review the total amount and confirm the specific card being used for this transaction. This quick authentication ensures your financial details remain secure and private. Upon successful authorization, you'll receive instant confirmation of your Klarna purchase. You can then easily view your payment schedule and manage all your installments directly within the Klarna app. Remember, using Apple Pay adds an extra layer of security to your transactions, protecting your card information with advanced encryption. This combination offers both flexibility in payments and robust financial protection for your online shopping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.